Now there's a fish on there. Fucking bass.
Alright.
Woo! Need some pliers though. It's a nice little bass, guys. I believe it's a largemouth, I'm pretty sure. I'm not very great with bass identification. Where?
Right to your right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that one's yours, bub. I'll let this guy just chill in the hole there for a second. Pliers. Alright guys, we're gonna get this bass unhooked. Very delicately. We can't keep bass, so we gotta do it pretty gentle. There we go. Nice healthy bass. Going back down the hole. Let me show you guys closer first. Huh? Got a fish? It's a nice bass. Aaron just caught another bass. I'll go get that one on camera too. He's gone, guys. He's gone.
On the tip up right next to his, I caught that little guy.
Another bass. About the same size.
Good size largemouth.
In summer, that's a nice bass to fight on a pole, but
Yeah.
yep. I guess you might as well just release him down my hole.
Right back down the hole.
And he's out of here.
Maybe. There he goes.
But alright guys, we'll get back to you as soon as we get another flag. We're still in the process of setting up tip-ups right now. Just me and Aaron out here today. But there's literally, by me saying just me and Aaron, there's literally no one out here. It's just a whole empty lake, which is pretty awesome. All for ourselves, so we decided to spread our tip-ups out quite a ways. But alright, I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna bring you over and let Aaron guide you through setting up our tip-ups and how we do that.
Really should have bought jumbo minnows. Yeah, really. Honestly, the amount of perch that I was seeing in the stomach of that little one.
So to set up our tip-ups, because there's 2 feet of ice, so what we've been doing is taking the hook in our one hand and the tip-up in the other and getting 1 arm length of line going out. And then we just hook on our, we're using medium heavies today. We were going to buy jumbos, but the bait shop was pretty well sold out from the derby. So we bought the medium heavies again. But yeah, once you do that, just plop her into the hole and then wait for the fish to bite. Alright guys, we got another flag. And it's schooling. It's schooling. If it's a big one, we might need the gaff. Alright guys, let's see what we got. Right now I'm just letting a little bit of line out. So when I pick the tip up, it's not going to hook the fish. Just in case, yeah. Yeah, it should be in the front seat. It might just be a bass that's making it spool too though. Alright, fish on guys. Feels like a small one. It's a pike, but it's a small one. Nice healthy little pike, guys. Although it's got some of those black spots on them. I've heard they're called fleas. I'm not really sure on that though. But by the way guys, on bigger pike, you never want to try to open their mouth with your hand. Can you grab that minnow by chance? That's a nice minnow. Alright guys. Yeah, slippery little guy, slippery little guy. Son of a gun. Jeez, look at him squirm. Like a snake. Alright guys, there he is. Just a little, I'd say he's probably, maybe 20 inches, but he's so small we're not going to bother with keeping that. He's pretty close, so we're going to let him go. Here we go guys, the release. He's going back down the hole. And he's gone. It was supposed to be an absolute blizzard. Me and Aaron were like, well, maybe we should go brave the storm. And I'm glad we did, because it's not bad out here at all. It's beautiful. Nice and warm. Anything? Did ya? Nice. That's awesome, bud. Hopefully that's a pike. It looks like it's fighting like a pike. Fighting like a pike. Alright guys. Oh yeah. Yeah, Aaron's got something on. You want to get the gaff just in case? What? Oh yeah, just there you go. About the same size as the one I kept, or the one I caught. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Guys, look at that! Oh, let me zoom in on that. Look at that gash! Holy crap! Something got him good.
Eagle.
Something got him. Alright, well, I'm gonna go check this other flag, but. Woo! Looks like it's moved much. Look straight down. Oh, fish on. Little northern. Another little northern. That one's probably the smallest one of the day. But he didn't take any line, he was just down there munching on it. Another nice little northern though. He's good healthy fish. Pretty chunky, so I'm sure he got plenty of bait from the derby. Release him and let him go. And there he goes. Alright guys, so I'm on a little school of sunnies right here. Luckily, right out of the truck, so I don't have to go very far. Actually, nice. These sunnies aren't giants by no means. But I'm just using this, I think you should be able to see that. Maybe. But it's just a little green with, or like a yellowish green with some orange dots on it. It's a tungsten. Pretty small one. I'm not sure exactly the size. I'm not too familiar with them, but it might be like a 4mm or something. But whatever it is, they are liking it. Like I said, they are kind of small, so it is hard to get a perfect hook set every time, but they're giving some wicked light bites, and they're everywhere down there right now. There we go, fish on. That feels like a decent one. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper for sure. No, sunny. As you can see, that's a keeper. It's probably around 6.5 inches. But he's going in the bucket. I do love eating sunnies and bluegills. Alright guys, I'm going to try to get it so you guys can see my bibbit dropping down. See if you guys can see the fish. But it doesn't look like there's any fish down there right now, but once the bibbit hits towards the bottom, they start to come back. So I'm just doing some light jigging. You can see my bibbit there. Oh, fish coming up. Fish coming up, and fish on. Little dink perch. Just a tiny little guy. But you probably couldn't see it because it's zoomed in, but just a little guy. See if I can't get another one right quick. Fish coming up. You see my bibbit right there. It's rising away from the fish. The fish is following it. Oh, I missed that one, guys. I missed him. But he's still there. That's one bonus about flashers. You never have to wonder if there's fish there. Alright guys, I'm gonna go check this flag. I didn't get it on camera because I was jigging in the truck when he caught it. But Aaron just caught a little northern on the jig stick. So that's pretty freaking cool. slab bluegill, or sunny. But I got pretty big hands, so it doesn't look like much in my hand, but it's probably an 8-incher or so, and it's put up a nice fight, so that was awesome. Alright guys, we got a nice fish on this tip up, I believe. It is spooling pretty good. It was just spooling wicked fast. There she goes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Here we go, guys. Here we go. This might be a good one. Dude, look at that spool. Holy crap. That's going to be a good fish, I have a feeling. Look at this one. Look at that thing spinning. Holy crap. It was just whipping, dude. Look at that thing. Watch. Watch how fast it starts to spin here in a second. I'm going to have to pull it up here.
It's gotta be a better fish.
Oh, wicked, yeah. I'm trying to wait for it to run a little bit so I can. Oh, yeah, there we go. Look at it spooling, guys. I'm getting down to the last of the line, so I'm about to hook it. There we go. Fish on. Can you walk that tip up out for me, bud? I think it's a better one. It's swimming with me right now. Oh, he wants to run. He wants to run. That's a good fish. Definitely a keeper, guys.
Wait.
For what? Wait for what?
I just said sweet.
Oh. It might be a bass. It might be a bass. That's a bass. It's a good one, dude.
That's a hog.
I don't know if I have a leader on this one either.
Bring him up.
I am. Oh my god.
What?
Oh, that's a nice one.
There you go.
There we go. That's a better one. Definitely a keeper, guys. Heck yeah. Woo!
I don't think he's 8 pounds.
No, it ain't no 8-pounder, but probably a good, that's probably a good 4 or 5-pounder. That's a nice fish, dude. I'm happy with that. Holy crap.
Check
That
that other tip up.
was a fun fight. He was really pulling out line too, guys.
Hole there.
Yeah, guys. Nice freaking northern. I'm pretty pumped about that. I think that's my biggest one this year so far, honestly.
Might be a little.
So here's my northern that I just caught. It's probably about a
6.
Probably about a 4.5 pounder, I'd say, maybe 5.
Oh, you did rip him.
Yeah, he swallowed the hook, so I really had to, well, finagle it out of there. But I was keeping him anyways, so I just ended up cutting his gills and letting him bleed out, so he didn't feel nothing. But there's mine, and I think you can see Aaron's there too.
A little smaller, but still a good eater.
Yep, quality eating fish. So I got another flag to check right now, so we're gonna go check that. All right, guys, I think you can see that.
There you go.
It's spinning again. We got another one. Woo! It's a damn good day out here, guys. It's really surprising because I thought they were going to be pounded after the Derby. Oh yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Fish on. This feels like a decent. Oh, it might have popped off. Might have popped off, guys. It did. Popped off. That's that small hook.
Yep.
That's why I don't like small hooks.
I love trebles. Unfortunately.
That sucks, guys. That felt like a good fish. But that's why I don't like small hooks. All right, guys. So we got a hit on this. I don't see it. Oh, it is moving, dude. It's the jankiest tip up that we have out here, and it's freaking spooling.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
These tip ups, I bought them like years ago for like $4, and I hated them, so I gave them to Aaron.
They're cheap, but they work.
Apparently.
They just break real easily. Still there.
Oh, God. Here we go. Fish on.
Sweet.
Doesn't feel like a giant, but nonetheless, another fish. He took some freaking line, though.
Yeah, you did. Cutie.
Cutie. Dude, that's awesome. We haven't caught a fish off.
First fish off the janky tip up.
This thing is literally like a plywood piece of freaking poop. It is awful. But as long as you set them up right, they'll still catch fish. So if any of you guys are in the market for budget fishing,
that's as
that's
budget
as budget as you possibly can get. It's $4. I mean, how can you go wrong? And I mean, look at it. Still caught a pike. It's not a monster, but if it was a monster, still would have caught it because it's everything else was set up right on the tip up. All right, guys. So these are my homemade automatic hook setters. This is going to be a trial run, but I got them triggered enough so a yellow perch will be able to set it off, or a sunny, anything that's got a little bit of size to it should be able to set it off easy enough. Huh?
Can't imagine drilling that with a hand auger.
I know it. But so basically it's just I got a 1x4 piece of pine. I wood burned it to make it look a little bit more desirable. Then you just put your rod into the PVC pipe right here. And it just bends over. And the trigger is actually a mouse trap. But you need to make sure you get that type of mouse trap right there. Right there. Now it's got 3 screws with washers holding it onto the board. And then you run your line right over the top of that. So then when a fish bites, it just gives the line a slight tug, sets the mouse trap, and sets your hook for you. So you can see I got the bait down there. It's at that blue line right there. So it's right around 7 feet right now. But it's actually a fish. There's a fish right on it, dude. It just checked it out. That's awesome. I can't wait to see these things work. I'm so pumped. But I'll if I get a fish on that, I'll get back to you so I can show it to you. He's got a pike on his jig stick. Try to make it to him. What are the odds you catch 2 on a jig stick just jigging for perch in a day?
Going after tip up.
Look at this stuff, guys. Aaron's with a frickin' pike.
On that.
That little tiny bibbit. That's all he was using, just a bibbit. Wow. That's freaking cool, dude.
And away he goes.
Alright, guys. Pretty cool. Alright, guys, we're just pulling up another flag now. Get him? Nice. Oh. A little bit better one? I'm gonna run and get the gaff just in case.
Oh, he just popped. I saw his head too. It was a good one.
Alright guys, this is the closest tip up we have to the shanty. And I just watched it pull some line. So, there it goes.
Oh yeah. He's spinning. That ain't no perch.
No, that's not a perch.
He might have just about to dropped it. Oh, maybe not.
No, he's got it still. He's about taking it, Aaron.
Yeah, it would.
Got him. Fish on. Feels like a good one, Aaron. Get the gaff just in case.
There's it.
Right there. They're doing what all big pike do. Well, maybe it's not a giant, I guess. Oh, well, maybe. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's definitely a decent one. Yeah, it's a nice arm.
There we go.
Oh, I guess it wasn't that big. But, nonetheless, another decent pike anyways.
Decent.
There we go, guys. Another nice pike. Nice, healthy fish. Nice and clean. Looks wicked nice and healthy. Yeah, boys. That's a good man right there, guys.
Good man right there.
Plowing the ice road. Alright, guys. This might be the last fly of the day right here. Hopefully, there's something on there. What's that? That's a little spool?
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Short amount of time. Felt some weight. Yep. Wait. Maybe it's still there. Hard to say. Alright guys, this might be a good fish. I'm not sure what it is yet. There he is. Little Pike. He was fighting like a son of a gun. Like wicked. Huh. Awesome. Well guys, that's probably going to be the last fish for the night. Unless we get some more when we're picking up. But we're going to start packing up just some of the stuff around the truck at least. But for right now. He's got back down the hole. That was actually a perfect hook set right in the corner of his mouth too, so. He's going back down the hole. See ya. He's gone. Alright guys, it's been an awesome day out here on Champlain again. We caught quite a few nice pike, caught quite a few small pike, and we jigged bluegills, sunnies, and perch. So all in all, it was a good day. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. Comment for what you want me to see, what you want me to target next, and